The skeletal system has 5 main functions. It also has lots of junctions. First thing it does is give structure and shape. It's so strong it doesn't need tape. The next thing it does is let you move around when you are touching the ground. Third, it does is protect vital organs in your chest, like a bird in a tiny nest. Fourth, it produces blood cells. This is what it always expels. Last but not least, it stores minerals like calcium and other materials. Bones are complex living structures. This is why some say they're sculptures. Bones are one of the strongest tissues. They are the lightest with no issues. Next are the part of the systems. Time for you to start to listen. Starting at the bottom are the metatarsals, tarsals, and phalanges. This is what movement meant. Next are the leg bones. The smaller one is called the tibia, the larger one is called the fibula. Next we have the patella, which is the kneecap. This is what helps you do raised laps. Next we have the femur. It is in the shin bone, which is how it's commonly known. Next thing is the pelvis, helps us shake our hips like Elvis. Next we have our vertebrae, which is our backbone. This is what helps us stand on our own. Next we have the sternum, which keeps our ribs in place without turning them. Next we have our clavicle, which is the shoulder bone. It is hard as stone. Next is the humerus in our upper arm, which keeps us from getting in harm. Now we have the glumen and the radius, which keeps us from being laziest. Next we have our carpal, metacarpal, and phalanges in the hand so we can play band. Now we have the cranium, which protects our brains like titanium. Skeletal system has 3 main parts. Bones are strong, living tissues, 206 in total. Cartilage is flexible so you can fold them. Last are the ligaments that hold bones in place. Without them you couldn't do a race. Lastly, we have parts of the bones. They are like different zones. First is the compact bone, hard and dense but not alone. Next we have the spongy bone, found in the engine, shaped like honeycomb. Last but not least, we have the marrow. It makes the blood cells that you know. Hope this rap gave you some knowledge about the bones, the ligaments, and the cartilage.